Hey everyone, Chris Walker, your security doctor, back again for another valuable SecByte session. And for today's discussion, I want to go ahead and show you another valuable piece of content that's built out of the box as part of security operations. Now today we're going to be learning how to set up a security tag group that will allow you to enforce a very simple policy to hide a specific security incident record based on a tag. These tags can actually be attached to incidents, response tasks, vulnerable items, observables, IOCs, and even security case management. So there are so many different use cases you can leverage this valuable type of content. So let's go ahead and get right into it. So as you can see, I'm in my instance and I've gone ahead and jumped right into the security tag groups simply by navigating and using my filter navigator. Now there are a couple of security tag groups already out of the box, but for the purpose of this demonstration, let's go ahead and create one new on the fly. I'm going to go ahead and name this Risky Business, click on Submit, and you guessed it, go back into the security tag group. We're going to create the security tag, which is going to be attached to the security incident record. And we're going to call this Very Risky. My favorite part, selecting the color. We're going to select blue. But the most important part is the enforcement policy. So we're going to click on the Enforce Restricted Access checkbox. And notice I have two controls, right? These are the user access controls that are going to be tied to the security tag. So for the purpose of this demonstration, I'm going to select admin. So only the admin can read and write to this particular security incident record that is tagged with the Very Risky metadata tag. Click on Submit and we're done. It was that simple, that easy, right? Value out of the box. So now let's go ahead and test that with our test user. Now, before we do that, let's go ahead and apply this to our security incident record so we can actually see how this works in real time. So I have this security incident record 20262. Take note of that because we're going to see how this works. And I'm going to go ahead and find my security tag group. There it is, Risky Business, Very Risky. We can see it's in a lovely blue, and we'll go ahead and of course save the security incident record with the new tag. And we can see that has been applied. Perfect. Now, let's impersonate our test user, Adela, who has SNSI Basic. So just so you know, that is what her role is. And we're going to go ahead and look at all the security incidents. And remember that 20262 was the security incident number. If I go here, we should not see that. And look at that. The latest and last one we see is 261. So 262 is completely hidden. Why? Because we created a security tag with a very simple policy. That policy is now going to streamline and harden your security and really start orchestrating how important it is to have a security first mindset by leveraging these native common functionalities out of the security operations offering. So with that, I'll go ahead and sign off. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe this video and stay tuned for some additional content. And as always, stay safe.